welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. Da-da! From Star Trek, we got the new Samsung S20 Ultra crazy selfie camera. That is the main reason why I got this phone. Thank you, Samsung. We're gonna see what it's gonna be like. I'm so excited. Not sponsored at all. I wish I was. So we're gonna be unboxing this phone. Oh, first thing I see is this bright pink case. Have the S20. So we got the silicone cover that we're going to use for the Samsung S20 Ultra. This is the phone. Wow, you make me so happy. I used to be an Apple girl. I had the Apple up until the 4S, I believe. I used to only get the S series of the iPhones, and then my friend convinced me to go for the S6 Samsung. Since then I haven't looked back. Let's open this. Wow, new phone. And then there's stuff in the case. So this is the first time I'm opening it. There's a little lever. This is much harder to do while I'm filming. So that's the box. In the lid is this box right here with the pin to remove your SIM card. Let's open this first. I think this is a screen protector and stuff. Yep, so warranty card, quick start guide, and the clear case. Have you guys noticed that these turn yellow and you see a lot of scratch marks pretty quickly? But it's better to have this. I like how they package it with some protection for the phone in the box, so you know it's all protected. It's your new baby. This one is $1,999 Australian, which is apparently $1,499 US dollars. So yeah, I am so excited. I don't even have proper makeup on, like just eyeliner, and I drew my brows because I just want to open this. I don't want to do a full face. So that's what's in the lid. Yeah, the phone itself. I feel like my hand is dirty. This is gonna get so many fingerprints. I'm so sorry. Let's see. So we have first the gorgeous phone. Look at it. Oh, you can see the reflection of the construction. So you can see the crazy camera. I know you can see the building across the road. That's all good. I'm so sorry about the reflection, but you can see how shiny it is. You can even see the Note 9 that I'm filming on. So this is the phone. It's very sleek. I'm not good at unboxing, but this is as real as it's going to get. Get the boring things out of the way first. They changed the design of the charger. Previously, the charger used to look like this. So in Australia anyways, I don't know about everywhere else in the world. So you put your USB in here and it charges your phone. Now, I guess because it's all USB-C, it's here. So you can see the difference. It's a little bit wider, but when you put this one into, let's say, a power board, you can't put anything next to it, especially if it's too close. So you either have to put it on the to me, it'll be the right side of the power board, just so it doesn't get in the way of the other plugs. This one is called super fast charging, while this one is just a standard adaptive fast charging, so improvements. Then we have the rest of the box. This is the cable, the charging cable, let's see. So it's not USB to USB-C, it's USB-C to USB-C. Then the box above it is the AKG headphones. Oh, Oh, this is the earbud part. So if you want to change it here, you can. So another AKG item, USB-C. Wait, there's no phone jack? They took away the phone jack. No. They're doing, so basically the Samsung Ultra doesn't have a headphone jack, which means that they've followed suit with Apple, and you could only either charge your phone or listen to music. You can't do both at the same time, which is a bummer. I wish they didn't take away the phone jack, or at least put 2 USB ports in it so we can do both at the same time. Yeah, so there's no headphone jack. If they were going to take away the headphone jack, I think they should have put in wireless headphones instead of these ones, because I guess the battery life is longer. So that's my little rant. That's 1x to the phone. We shall see. Oh, and this fell out too. So knee support. Oh, this is the Samsung Care, bit of advertisement. So that's what's inside it, inside the box. These are the items that's in the box, as well as the paperwork that no one really reads. So, Jan! There's no volume button or anything on the left side. It's actually just plain blank. On the top is where you put your SIM card, I believe. I wonder if it'll focus. So right here is where you put your SIM card and your SD card, I believe. Nothing on the left side. The bottom is the charger and headphone jack. I wish they had a headphone jack. No headphone jack, just a USB-C port where you could charge your phone or listen to music, not both at the same time, and the speaker. On the right hand side is this one. I don't know if this is a Bixby button or a power button. I presume it's power. And then the volume is on the left. So basically the phone changed by taking away the headphone jack, moving the volume bar to this side instead of having it on the opposite side. And then I think this is the power button, so let's try and turn this on. Just holding down the bottom button. Here we go, here we go. So I pressed this button right here, not the top one, so the smaller one. This is happening in real time, everybody. Say hi to my Note 9 in the reflection. So it's starting. Let's go. So you could choose whether or not you plug it in or have it wirelessly. I'm going to do it wirelessly to see how it goes. And it's been 3 days since I've had the Samsung S20 Ultra, and this is what I think so far. One, like I said before when I first unboxed it, I do miss the headphone jack. Like, I can't use my gaming headphones when I want to have a more clearer recording and stuff like that. I wish it came with the Bluetooth headphones instead of the USB-C one. I like to be able to charge my phone and I guess listen to music without using Bluetooth headset, like a proper full-on cord, because the sound quality I feel is a little bit better and I don't have to worry about the battery dying on my headphones. So first world problem, we can live without it, but yeah, that's just my personal preference. The second thing is the fingerprint scanner. Although it's really good, it's seamless, you don't see the home key button or anything, you just touch the bottom of the screen. I noticed that it is a bit finicky, so you have to really have muscle memory on where to place your finger or thumb to unlock the phone, because there's no guidance, there's no circle or area that you could really see where the scanner exactly is. But once you get used to it, it'll be all good, all sweet, Other than that, the camera's amazing. The zoom is phenomenal. The 100 times zoom is insane. I had to play around on my balcony to check out the airport, try and see IKEA. That's like kilometers and kilometers and miles away, and it is amazing. I only tried it specifically at night time, and wow, I'm impressed. So all in all, I do love this phone. I love it more than what I expected. It is quite expensive though. It's $1,999 in Australia. I think it was $1,499 in America, but hopefully they'll come out with screen protectors soon, because one did come already on the phone. We know what screen protectors are like. They scratch, they wear and tear, and they start to lift. So it'll be nice to be able to purchase some in the near future online during this home isolation situation. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to know more about this Samsung. Oh my god. Let me know what you guys want to know more about the Samsung Ultra S20 or S20 Ultra. Tomato. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Bye bye.